Hello, everybody. Okay, we are back today for our second live of the day. First one, we did this cute look that was just a really quick, easy look with the new BB Plus with mineral SPF in it. Great for the farmer's market. Now we're back and I'm going to show you how to take this cute base of a look and really easy and like 1, 2, 3, turn it into a glam look for lunch. The first thing I did was just change out a couple of pieces of jewelry, believe it or not. So I changed out my earrings and my bracelets. So these are the jewel bracelets. I still have on the Mars bracelet and the Rika bracelet. I still have on the Zoe necklace. I took off the Wrangler earrings and all of those are from Park Lane. I'll put the link in when I'm done. These are custom made from a woman in Dunwoody and I love her. Her name is Roxanne Camille and I will tag her in my stories, but she custom makes all of these and they are phenomenal. So, all right, let's get going. First up, I'm going to take off the lip color that I have on. I'm just going to blot that off. And I'm going to use the creamy lip scrub. Just to really get those lips nice and clean and super silky smooth, because we are going to put on a different lip color. Now I'm going to take a tissue and I'm just going to gently dab underneath my eye. And remember, all I have on is the new BB Plus with SPF. I don't have on any concealer. It just gives this beautiful, beautiful coverage. I'm going to go ahead and just dab around on my face where it's kind of just a little bit more oily, because remember I have oily skin anyway, and I live in Atlanta and it's hot today. All right, so there we go. Now we've got a great base to work from. Remember, we've already got on liquid eyeshadow in Reverent, and we are going to add liquid eyeshadow in Exalted, which is one of my favorite colors. I'll show you guys. This is, it's such a cute color. You can go as bold or as light as you want with it. And I'm just going to put it on the outside right now. I'm going to use the tip. And then I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to gently work that towards the inner eye. And I'm really only going about halfway. But just really gently and like small little circles. Just blending that in. Let's see what a great pop of color we got just from that. I'm trying to decide if I want to go, you know what, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I was trying to decide if I wanted to go deeper into the crease or not, but I think I just want to leave it just like that. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just drawing down with just small little strokes. And remember, this liquid eyeshadow is waterproof and it's buildable and it's so easy to work with. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush, and it's perfect for summer, especially if you live somewhere where it's hot like I do, or it's kind of sticky where I do, because the humidity is atrocious in Atlanta. Well, look at that great pop of color that we've got going on. I'm going to put a little bit more. Well, let me see. This is when I sit back and say, okay, what do I want to do? Do I want to add a little bit more? We're just going to add a little bit more color in there. Just a little bit. Because we are going from casual to glam for a birthday lunch. but I just wanted to show you how you can take just the same look that you had early in the morning, and with a couple of literally strokes and products, you can have a completely glam look with it, right? So that's Exalted. Now I'm going to take my favorite Dip and Draw eyeliner, which we already put some on this morning, but I'm going to put on another layer. I really want it to pop and I want it to look fresh. See how that just really brings it out? And that was just one extra layer. Now I'm gonna take my favorite Optimistic with any type of thin brush, eyeliner brush, doesn't matter. We're gonna put that right in the corner of the eye. I'm also gonna take it and put it in the middle. That way it draws attention right to the middle of your eye. It's just a slight trick. You don't need a lot. You can even use your finger if you want. And you're just going from the lash line to the bottom of the crease. See how great that looks? Dun, dun, dun. Now, I am gonna take some Magic Water Powder, also known as Translucent Prime and Set Powder. I'm gonna take this triangle sponge, or microfiber, really, and just gently dab underneath and around, just to freshen up that area. Right, and I'm gonna do that in the areas on my face that tend to be a little bit oilier, or tend to get shinier faster, I should say. So definitely my T-zone, under my eyes, right? And then we will use this again, but we're gonna do it in just a minute. We are going to quickly update our blush, which I used bronzer for blush this morning. So we're just gonna quickly use that, and then this is in medium, okay? Now we're gonna switch to dark bronzer, and I don't need much, just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna take that into the hollow of my cheek, right under my blush line, to give me more of a contour. And just very gently around here. Because again, this is more for like a glam it up look, because this is for a birthday celebration. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna switch back to my medium bronzer. And we're going to contour the nose, and then I just like to take a blending brush and just gently blend that out. Because you guys, I have a small face. I'm only 5 feet tall. Almost everyone, when they meet me, they're like, "You're so short." I'm like, "I know." So I get to use sort of smaller brushes than most people. Most of you can use the sculpting brush to do the sides of your nose. For me, it ends up going really, really wide, so I like to use an angled eyeshadow brush. All right, so I'm going back to Magic Water Powder, okay? And I'm taking a setting brush. We're gonna get some product. We're gonna put it in the lid, and then we're gonna gently dab and then swirl. That way it's gonna blend and it's gonna set this all at the same time. Because remember, I already put foundation on this morning, so I don't need to put on any more foundation. I didn't even use concealer. I just used BB Plus all over my face, and it is absolutely positively gorgeous. If you have not gotten it yet, say CM and let's get you a free color match, because I promise you, you will love it. It is anti-aging. It is waterproof, transfer proof, sweat resistant. It is all things, and it has zinc oxide as its SPF, so everyone can wear it. There is a hair hanging through my eye. Hold on a second. There we go. All right, we got that out. We are going to update. All right, now I think I got it really in my eye, you guys. We're gonna update our mascara just with an extra, just a quick little touch up of 4D mascara, which is what I put on this morning. And then I'm actually gonna top that off with Epic Waterproof. There it is, we got it, we got it, we got it. That tiny little itty bitty hair. All right, so Epic Waterproof, because it is really getting like hot and sticky and humid. So I wanna make sure that my mascara stays on my lashes and doesn't end up other places where I don't intend for it to be, like running down my face. I can tell you runny mascara drives me crazy. And that's one thing I love. This Epic Waterproof will not move. You can swim in the ocean. In fact, it'll probably be the only thing I use when we go to Belize on Wednesday. I'm so excited. When we were at the farmer's market, my best friend and I were planning out packing for our trip. It's just the two of us. We are so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, we are still gonna stay with a pink lip for today because I just wanted to, but we're going with a brighter, bolder pink lip. So earlier I'm blushing. Now I'm gonna use Pouty Pink and Splash. And of course, this is anti-aging 10-hour wear. And this is a much brighter pink. We'll let that dry, and then we're gonna put some non-burning lip plumper on there. While that splash is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of highlight on, which we put highlight on this morning, but we're just refreshing. I'm using the same color. I'm blushing. And I like to put my highlighter actually on top of my translucent setting powder, just because I feel like it keeps it sparkle a little bit better. But you absolutely can go and set it if you would like to. The other thing we're gonna do is use my Prime and Set Mist. Works amazingly well. I mean, literally works like magic in the heat and humidity and making sure that your look does not move. You spray it on, it smells like cucumbers. It's nice and light and airy. It's a micro mist and it just lays on. It has anti-aging properties in it and blurring properties in it to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. And it really extends the wear of your look. And now we're going in. This is called, I believe, Tinseltown. And this is Non-Burning Lip Plumper by City Lips. I'll put the link in. You can use code Allie15 to save. And now we have a glammed up version of our earlier look to take to a birthday celebration and lunch. And all we did was really change our earrings. We changed our bracelets. We added Exalted liquid eyeshadow. We added just another layer of Dip and Draw. We refreshed Optimistic. We refreshed blush and bronzer, refreshed our highlighter, and put on a darker lip. We went from I'm blushing to pouty pink. And that was it, but that's how we do it. If you'd like information on the look, you can say bundle and I'll send you the information. I bundled it all so you guys can save and get a great deal on it, but I hope that this was super, super helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am sending out the rest of my VIP freebies this weekend for June. So if you're not on my list, save VIP so I can send you the link. And all I need is your name, address, email, phone number, and you're good to go. And I will send you out freebies every single month just to say thank you. If your skincare and makeup is not European Union approved, anti-aging, plant-based, or giving you the look that you want, then say consult and let's have a really quick chat and see if we can't fix that. And if you are someone you know is looking for freedom, fun, flexibility, a great fun community, and a way to earn extra income with just by literally sharing products that you love, say chat and let's just have a really quick conversation to see if the brand ambassador opportunity with Unique is something that may be of benefit for you or you may be interested in. I'm Allie and I have 5 areas of severe and permanent nerve damage. I am approaching the big 5-0. I have 4 dogs, 3 kids, 2 companies, 1 me, doing a fun show called Anti-Aging with Allie. I am an animal-loving skinfluencer who is trying to color life and give back through top-tier products that empower inner and outer beauty. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for a whole nother look using the brand new BB Plus SPF. I am in love with it. I can't wait to take it to Belize when I leave on Wednesday. I'm so excited. It's going to be perfect for all summer long, perfect for all your travels, all your vacations. So definitely say bundle if you would like information. But you guys have a wonderful day. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching.